Hey there, this is the Market Doll Queen, and today I'm going to talk to you about JetBlue and an option trade and how I played it today. This is Tuesday, February 23rd, and JetBlue and other airlines have been hot. Any of the sector of hotels, travel, casinos, anything that has to do with coming unlocked for COVID is now in play. And this morning was no different. I entered into a JetBlue trade. And the reason I did that, I'll go ahead and show you, is I'm looking at it here, and I had a lot of American Airlines, Southwest, Saved, which is Spirit, United. It just goes on and on. All the airlines were hot this morning pre-market, and JetBlue was the one that I chose. And as you can see right here, this is where I bought. I bought right in here, and unfortunately, I entered in too high. I actually chased this one, trying to get it, and as you can see, I got into JetBlue, $19 call, $3.19 expiration for $1. Bought two of them. Actually bought one and then averaged down here. Once I averaged down, I just closed my eyes, went looking somewhere else, and handled some other trades. And I will tell you right now, what I tell myself is sometimes you have to hold through the pain to get to the gain. And I knew I gave myself time because I gave myself until March 19th. JetBlue and like other airlines, like I said, the whole sector is very hot right now. So I decided to just go ahead and take care of other trades and ignore this one. Well, as you can see right here, it was about maybe 20 minutes after open, and the market did a V correction. It wasn't just this ticker, but many tickers did a V recovery. They all dropped at open and then went boom, and they just popped from there. Now, if I look at my TTM squeeze, it definitely shows that momentum and volume were slowing down. Here we got quite a sell-off right at open. So bears definitely had a good time. And then it started to pick up and the volume started to pump in. And as you can see from my TTM squeeze, the yellow bars kick in. They go from red to yellow. This is a signal of a trend reversal, a possible trend reversal. It can always go from yellow to red, signaling that it's still weak, okay? But the trend reversal is strong yellow and the bars getting shorter. You see them stepping back up to the center line of the TTM squeeze. The TTM squeeze is a great indicator. It really helps you see the momentum and the volume in either direction, whether it's to the uptrend or to the downside. And as you can see right here, all the volume, I've got my MACD crossed over right there. That's where my MACD crossed. And you can see this yellow TTM squeeze just went boom and squoze right there. And we are right here just above VWAP. VWAP is the white dotted line. Anything with the candle action going up above the VWAP, the further it gets away, the stronger the trend. And as you can see, the TTM squeeze confirms the strong trend by showing me these light blue bars. They get taller and taller and taller. I say stair stepping up or stair stepping down. And you can see that. Consider yourself walking up or down the TTM squeeze. Now, if we get up here and we look at my EMA ribbon, my EMA ribbon is the one thing that has kept me in the trade all morning long. So as you can see, we are live right now while I am recording this video. And it is almost power hour. So this is all day, okay? My EMA ribbon says this is still in play. I have not sold this option. I will tell you right now, I did pay. It averaged out. I got a couple of contracts for average of $1, and right now it is $1.23, $1.24 right there for the $19 strike. Like I said, this is still in play only because of all of these other indicators. VWAP going sideways, EMA ribbon, red still on the bottom. I've got my MACD kind of coming sideways, and my TTM squeeze is trying to flatten off and give me the dark blue bars. I'm still holding this, and I plan to hold this all through close. I don't plan on selling this today. Like I said, I am up on it, but it could be better. It's going higher. I feel I am going to hit probably $20. I'm hoping this hits $20 this week, and that's where I think it's at. According to one of my studies, it was in a squeeze an hour ago, and you can see it right there. There's where the squeeze was. When you see no bars, either above or below, that's the TTM squeeze. And usually you will see the MACD laying on top of itself during a squeeze also. This tells you that it's just flat, it's channeling, and you could see that right there with the candle action. I've got my Bollinger Bands right there, and when the Bollinger Bands are traveling in the same direction, one on top of the other, this is called channeling, and you can see the candles. They will bounce back and forth between the upper Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band. As long as my EMA ribbon stays in this configurement, it will be just fine. Bollinger Bands look good. This is truly a good play right now. I'm loving the looks of it. I hope this helped you understand why you stay in your trades longer. The longer you can hold out. If I'd have got scared right here and sold for a loss, I'd have just locked in all those losses right there. Because let me tell you right now, scared money don't make no money. And sometimes, like I said, you just got to close your eyes and go look somewhere else. If you believe in the trade, which I do, I like JetBlue as a company. I like them. I believe in the trade. I gave myself plenty of time to get there. The strike was close enough, and we are doing fine right now. And I'm still well within my gain range. Like I said, I'm looking for 20 or higher, hopefully this week. And I gave myself time, so I could do it this week or next week. I've got myself some wiggle room before theta starts to work against me. And oh my, look how it's working out. So far has already hit a high of 1939. It does look like it might even want to test that again and go past. I could see that happening. It is still looking very strong. And I just close my eyes to all the other indicators and concentrate on one that I know to hold true. As long as the EMA ribbon stays the same, it is still in the same trend I want it in. Hope this helped you. Hope you are trading the airline sector. They are hot. I will tell you right now, the airline sector for leaps for January 2022 aren't a bad idea. That's any of the airlines in the whole sector. All right, guys, trade safe.